always, I'm Jen, your Make Your Place coordinator, back with another photography tips and tricks video. In this video, we're going to be talking about movement in photographs. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why is she talking to us about movement in photographs? We're not talking about videos. People and things in photos can't move. What's going on? Let me explain. The whole idea behind movement in photographs is to engage the viewer's imagination. It's to give your subject space to move, to give them purpose in a photograph, to show where they're going, to get your viewer imagining where they're gonna go, to give your viewer's eyes a place to go, as well as your subject. You can do this in 3 ways. Number 1, a common theory suggests that when we look at photographs, our eyes read or view the photo from left to right, in the same way that we read text. So we read photos from left to right. Because of this, you're supposed to place your subject on the left side of your frame, either facing or heading towards the right side. In this way, the natural movement of our eyes when we look at a photograph will align with the movement of the subject. Number 2, subjects should always be given room in the photograph to move into. So the space that's in front of the subject in the direction that they're facing or heading should be larger than the space that is behind them. This allows the viewer to imagine the next move of the subject, to imagine where they're going. Number 3, finally, you can use leading lines to take the eyes of your viewer on a journey in your photograph. So you could use roads, you could use rivers, you could use different patterns and lines in the photograph to take the viewer's eyes from one place in the photo to the subject of the photograph. Now, let me lead you into the next video of our series where I will be talking about framing your subject.